my wife really loves fish, and she likes fish with the bones in it. Got on Instacart, and I was able to find a store selling these old catfish fillets right here. And so that's what we're gonna be doing today. All right, so I got them all cleaned up, got them dried off and everything, let them sit in the fridge for a little bit. While they were sitting in the fridge, I went out there and got my grill set it up for an indirect cook. I'm going hot and fast with these. I'm not really trying to smoke them for a long time. So after I got the grill up to temp, I mixed up some paprika, some lemon pepper, bone sucking sauce. I just put it all in this little container right here. Then I seasoned all my fish really well with that. Once the grill was up to temp, I cut a few lemon slices and I put those on the grill grates and then put my fish on top of them. Once I got them on the grill, I closed the lid and then I just let them go. It's only been about 10 minutes, but I needed to do that to get an idea of how fast or slow this is cooking, so I know how often to check. Since I was at the grill for a 10-minute check anyway, I decided to go ahead and rotate the fish to make sure they're cooking evenly on all sides. I'm using my lemons. Once I got them rotated, I decided to give it another 10 minutes. So after another 10 minutes, man, I came out and I did another quick temperature check, and I found that one of them was already at like 130 or something like that. One of them was actually over 140. So now my plan at this point was to kind of move them over the hot coals and get a little sear on them. You know what I'm saying? That ain't going well. Didn't quite go as planned. Next time I do this, I think what I'm gonna do is just put my cast iron skillet out there, put it right over the hot coals, put some oil in it, and just have it heating up while I'm bringing my fish up to temp. Then I'll put my fish inside the cast iron skillet, and that'll be an easy way to get the sear I'm looking for. I kind of wanted to see it blacken up a little bit, you know what I mean? Overall though, man, my wife and I really enjoyed these. We both really liked the smoky flavor that it had. I mean, I was going for grilled, but I wanted a little smoke flavor on it. So we both enjoyed it. We thought it was really good. I'll do it again. I'm gonna keep tweaking it until we get it just right. There comes wifey right now. Hey, baby. Baby chewing. But we'll see you next time on Run on the Grill.